If you want to build a request a quote form with pricing logic in just a few minutes and without all the fluff, this video is exactly what you need. I've tested all the major tools out there so you don't have to, and I'll show you exactly how to build this using software that offers an exclusive free trial only for viewers of this channel. You'll find that link in the description if you want to follow along. Let's jump straight in. First, we're creating a form that lets users select products or services, input quantities or options, and get a dynamic estimated price before submitting their request. This helps pre-qualify leads, set realistic expectations, and streamline your quoting process. Once you've signed up for the software using the trial link below, head to the Form Builder dashboard. Start with a blank form. Add a drop-down for service type or product. Use conditional logic to display different pricing inputs, depending on what they choose. Next, insert a number input for quantity, then create hidden fields that store base prices. These are tied to each product or service option. Using calculation logic, multiply the base price by the quantity. You can display this as a running total in a quote estimate field. This is where the pricing logic kicks in. Want to get fancy? Add checkboxes for optional add-ons with fixed prices. Each time a box is checked, the total updates automatically. This creates a personalized quote in real time. Once the pricing logic is set up, add basic fields like name, email, and any other contact details you need. Make sure to include a short notes section in case they want to add specifics. Set up notifications so when someone submits the form, you and optionally the user get a breakdown of what they requested, including their estimated price. Before publishing, test the form. Select different options, adjust quantities, and make sure the price updates correctly. You don't want to lose credibility over a glitchy form. Now embed the form on your site or share the direct link if you're not ready to embed it. This kind of request a quote form with pricing logic makes you look way more professional and saves your team from repetitive manual quoting. So here's the key takeaway. A dynamic quote form with pricing logic doesn't just automate your workflow, it boosts conversions by giving leads clarity and control upfront. It filters time wasters and lets serious prospects reach you with real intent. Quick revision. We set up a product service selector, added quantity fields, created pricing logic using hidden fields and calculations, and set up optional add-ons, all within a few minutes. You can build a request a quote form with pricing logic even if you're not techie. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to use the same software I showed you today. It's only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching. Go build your form and start getting better leads today.